What's up, everybody? You know it's your boy Odell back with another video, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video, guys. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. Alright, guys, for you new subscriber out there, welcome to my channel. This is Odell Tech Tip. Yes, guys, your friendly channel, your family channel, guys. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. I get a message from a viewer named Tequila Douglas. If I pronounce your name incorrectly, I'm very sorry. I will leave the message up here. This person is asking me to make a video on how to fix your YouTube videos. Basically, he click on the video and the YouTube video keep jumping and then it jump off. That means that it come off. I was doing some experiment on my end, but there's a couple reasons why his YouTube probably not working. Okay, there's a couple steps. I'm gonna give you a couple steps on how to fix it, and if it works for you, please write in the comment section and tell me if it works for you. I'm gonna give you some tips on how to do that. Okay, all right. First thing first, if your YouTube is automatic, right? No, if you install YouTube from Play Store, if you install it from Play Store and you will search for YouTube. If you install it right here, I install my YouTube from here. Okay, this is why I install my YouTube from Play Store, but you have other sources of installing YouTube. This is where I install YouTube from Play Store. There's one stuff I want you to try. You could delete back the YouTube, right? Delete back the YouTube that you have installed. You can go on App Store or App Store. Any one of them. The two of them is the same. And you can install YouTube from here also if you don't got Play Store. Okay, you can just search and type in YouTube and there it is. And let's search for it. And then you come over here, then you click the search bar and you will see YouTube. You can download it from here also. You can download it from here, or you can download this one right here, or YouTube for Android TV. You can download YouTube from here or here. That's one of the reasons. That's one of the steps you can take. You can delete the one that you have on your TV, if it's not the original one, because your TV come with the original. I think this is the original. Okay, you can install this one on your TV if that doesn't fix it, right? The next step I want you guys to do, if you don't feel like doing that, I want you guys to go on YouTube. Now this is step 2. If you don't feel comfortable deleting it, right, and you say no, Odell Tech Tip, I don't want to delete it and install it back, I just want to fix it. There's another way right now I'm going to show you. Now I want you guys to come over this side over here, and I want you to go all the way down to settings. Now when you go to settings, you will get this screen right here. Okay, now I want you guys to click the side button and I want you to highlight it like this. Now I want you to come all the way down. You can reset. You can reset the app. Reset the app, guys, by clicking on it. Then you will come over, press the side button, come over here and reset the app. Okay, you can do that. You can also clear your search history, okay, and clear your watch history. So if this one does not work, if these doesn't work, search history and watch history, you can clear them by clicking on them, and then you will get this right here. Then you click it and it will clear it. If that doesn't work, reset. Just click reset app, okay, and reset the app. If that doesn't work either, you can send a feedback message to YouTube telling them what is your problem, the problem that you are having. Okay, the version that I have is this. This is my version right here. Okay, that's my version right there, and you will get all the information that is available on your device. Okay, you can do that also, and just try reset back the app, okay, and clear your history. Okay, clear the history, the watch history, search history, clear it, and test it back again, and I think it should work. But just do that, and I think it will work for you. If it worked for you, please write in the comment section and tell me if it worked for you, please. Okay, and this is for sounds. All right, so that is 2-step. I'll give you a 3-step. Reinstall back the app, and if you don't feel like doing that, you feel like don't reinstall back the app, you just come back down here where it's settings and come over here. Then you clear the history, search history and watch history, and if that doesn't work, you click on the reset button. You reset the app, then you will come over here, press the side button and click this, and it should reset back the app. Okay, so if you don't feel like them download back anything on your TV, just reset back the app. Okay, I think that will work for you guys. Okay, there is some other stuff that I want to do, but I can't do it right now. Not pertaining to this video, but pertaining to some other videos. But guys, I hope it worked for you, and the person, I'm trying my best to get it work for you. This is the only way I know, because I was trying to create the problem, but I could not create the problem because I am not having the problem. But these are some steps on how to fix YouTube video keep jumping or lagging. Yeah, so if it worked for you, please like, comment and subscribe and everything. So guys, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please guys, please hit that thumbs up, that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and hit that post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. And guys, I will see you in the next video.